Seen it go down, we can reenact things. Extreme like DMXing. These boys pussy and they PMSing. People in the city see the movement occurring and say, my God, I wanna be in that scene. Damn right, you wanna be in this scene. She had the video trying to be in this scene. Used to fantasize about being this scene. Bluegrass girl, but she got big dreams. Can't touch me, I got instincts. Locked in the house, but I'm plotting things. I brought a gang to the party with me. 5 white boys, but they not in sync. Fuck what y'all think. Fuck everything that you say about me. My dogs like to play Madden and 2K, but one thing they don't do is play about me. My homeboy Tyler, he playing South Beach. He told me this summer he gon' fix my jumper. I told Boy Wonder that we might got a thumper. I've been trying to pop, now I'm on like Shumpert. Now they on my bumper. Green room chock full of all my comforts. Hotel room like heaven on earth. Got angels in my bed with some all white covers. Ace Pro Nemo, Lucci and Kiso, Sloop Clay Tufo, and I got a few more I call my brothers. I got a lot of flows and they all like butter. Ooh. You know what that means. I came home nice, but I'm going back mean. I'm about to globe trot when they know a vaccine. Motherfuckers act lost, but they know exactly what's going on. Made a meal and I don't know what to blow it on. I tell a critic shut up like my show is on. Give a t-shirt to her, said throw it on. She want a mini high school classmates, I'm growing on. My peers ain't popping, they don't know what's going wrong. Y'all well dressed, but you ain't got soul and you just can't sew it on. I'm trying to tell y'all boys, I got a few songs I can sell y'all boys. I tried it back then, it was hell nah, boy. Now I'm in a box like a Kellogg's toy. The ones that hate me the most look just like me. You tell me what that means. Make a slick comment and see what that brings. I seen it go down, we can reenact things. Extreme like DMXing. These boys pussy and they PMSing. People in the city see the movement occurring and say, my God, I wanna be in that scene. That's right, damn right you wanna be in this scene. She had the video trying to be in this scene. Used to fantasize about being this scene. Bluegrass girl, but she got big dreams. Can't touch me, I got instincts. Locked in the house, but I'm plotting things. I brought a gang to the party with me. 5 white boys, but they not in sync. No, they not in sync. No, they not. Word to JT, no, they not in sync. Word to JT, no, they not in sync. No, they not in sync. No, 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 they not.
Yesterday's price is not today's price.
Imaginary players aiming coach right. Master recipes under stove lights. The number on this jersey is the quote price. You order Diet Coke, that's a joke, right? Everybody get it off the boat, right? But only I can really have a snow fight. Detroit nigga challenge, what's your dope like? If your bin's bigger, step it up to ghost life. Miss it was our only misdemeanor. My tunnel vision's better under stove lights. You order Diet Coke, that's a joke, right? My workers compensated so they don't strike. Wish me luck, see green like Don Bishop. The ones you trust will change like them chains you took. Far as I'm concerned, who's the best? Me and Jesus. Watch them drive, so give me all of mine and pesos.
5095 Turney Road.
Your bitches in them pictures, but they laser tagging us. They mad at us.
That's the Shell gas station right here on McCracken.
Everything your mama said you shouldn't be. The Porsche's horses revving like look at me. Saddle up. I'm still preaching, baby, batter up. Imaginary players ain't been coached right.
First time I seen something like that. Park at your own risk. I mean, in anybody's parking lot, I've never seen that in a residential. Like, you know what? Since I got my new tires, I'm kind of. I'm not sliding all over the place. And day for yesterday, I wouldn't have been able to get up this hill. This little hill right here, I would have to go find another way. Yeah, I had ice skates on this sucker. Now I'm moving like this. And this being a two-wheel drive, front-wheel drive too. Yeah, I hated this car. Nah, I kind of like it.
Just a little bit.
Just a little bit.
That's good.
And I bought 2 of them. One for me and one for my wife.
2 of the same car?
Man, did not realize I was buying a front wheel drive. Thought I was buying a 4-wheel
Yeah,
drive.
because it's a Jeep, so you would think so. Yeah.
Exactly.
Oh, that's crazy.
I'm like, man, last one, I was losing money.
Oh, no.
Like, I wouldn't be out right now.
Yeah.
But-
It was them bald-headed tires.
Yeah.
Or they just wasn't just good enough.
They wasn't good enough. They was like just straight line. No grips in between.
Like, oh, goodness.
These suckers, I'm up, going up Taylor, South Taylor.
Oh, not that hill.
Yeah.
Oh, goodness.
But last year, I would have to go all the way where Cliffview.
I was about to say, how did you go around that? Because all of the hills is over there.
Right.
So, yeah, okay.
So I would have to go all the way down and then come back up. That's like an extra 10 minutes.
Crazy.
I don't like this shell.
You don't like it?
I don't like the way they do black people.
I don't even be paying attention to that. Maybe because I don't know.
With the credit cards.
Oh, what's going on with that?
So say like how their gas is. But they don't have it on the pump.
Okay.
You only find out if you look.
Oh.
That's my cousin right there.
Oh, yeah?
Right there.
Okay. Oh, that's on the music?
No. On the sign.
On what side? Boy. I couldn't even see him. I'm so little, I couldn't even see him. I'm like, who y'all cousin? This is talking about this bald-headed.
Damn, Tori. My nigga.
Ain't even too much talking to do, cause you might be an informant anyway. I ain't with the small talk, I let the tequila do it. Bulletproof the Porsche like Tony, I let the dealer do it. Cracking the hoopty that needed the power steering fluid. They just had to pass it off to me, I was like, yeah, I do it. They ain't never did what I done, so don't compare them to it. Quiet while I'm up in the kitchen, I put the care into it. Bars don't appreciate, my shit should decapitate. Streets know what it is, so go on with your accolades. This is for the underprivileged that call hell home. Trump gave him 1,200, Obama gave him cell phones. My man got a quarter, he was getting shorter. They hit him with another one, I'm scared to tell his daughter. Shit is getting crazy, drug game is out of order. It's fentanyl, pills, or this K2 in this water. Not the money you save, the money that you run through. Damn shame, but I guess that's what it's come to. They run the game, huh? I guess that's what it's come to. Followers and likes, I guess that's what it's come to. Stars overnight, I guess that's what it's come to. But when that money run out, guess who they run to? Beefing on the internet, I guess that's what